Hey guys, today is an awesome day because it is my second day into this YouTube series. It's going to be amazing, and I'm very committed. I'm super excited. It's gonna be awesome. I'm super happy. I already did one video this morning, but I reached the max recording time and it cut off what I was saying, so I had to restart it. But whatever, it's fine. But what is the most upsetting thing about it is I had 555 crystals and I just got 3 crystals. Super annoying. So now I'm just gonna go for 560. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm thinking, I mean, I can beat this really easily like this. I'll just do that. There. Let's see, what should I do? I feel like I want to do something, because I just got Trevor the other day. I just got him. I 5-star awakened, maxed in the first day I got him. I was super excited. Gosh dang it, she's not going to one-shot anything. I'm good at this game. Okay. Just got Trevor, so I want to do some fun things with Trevor. Let's see. I've seen some insane stuff. Like him soloing Giants B9. Obviously mine can't do that. He's not like 6-star max or anything, but dang, my team is in shambles right now. Holy block. Okay. My guild wars that I did right before I did guild battles before this. I was doing guild battles and then it cut me off. That sucked. Whatever. Worse things have happened. Okay. Let's see. I wonder if there's any non-level 50s. Oh, okay, there's a level 46. It's just boring. Let's see. Okay, that's a Chisun. Owusa. That's an OP team. That could be fun. Maybe, or it could just wreck my whole team. Honestly, I don't know. I can't wait. I can't wait to get better and take on these guys because I don't know. I have another account. I have a level 50 account, and it's okay. It's not the best thing. I mean, it has. I think it has like 12 6-stars or something. I don't know. It's pretty good. It's decent. Not compared to some of like the Guardian arenas that have like over 100 6-stars, and you're just like, what the heck? This guy is, he either has no life or this is his life. It's probably the latter. Yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and get there. I'm gonna try and get that good. It's gonna take a while. Wait, what am I? Oh, arena. Yeah, 200 crystals! 200 crystals, that's awesome. That was awesome. 760. Oh, I have a summon. I have a summon. I'm so glad I didn't do this on the last thing. Because I cut me off and it was trash. Oh wait, do I even want this? Because I already have him. I already have her. I mean, she'd be nice. I don't need... Oh, wait. She'd be good for my copper team in the arena. I already have her. But I really want her. And him. I'm probably going to get, like, her, though. So, I mean, well, why not? Elven Ranger. Okay. And, oh, wow, there's a queen. It's insane. Okay. What should I do? Let's let's see. I haven't done this yet. You know, he's probably gonna die like instantaneously. but I'm gonna try it. He's got 4-star, 4-star, 5-star. Yeah, so I got him on Vamp Revenge. We'll see what happens. You will see what happens. Hopefully not everything's faster than him. Does anything give him a heal break? Because he needs that heal break. I mean, he needs the heals to be able to make it. Okay, it's looking good so far. Looking good so far. Get that damage. I'm surprised. Actually, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna auto it. Oh yeah. He did. My Trevor did like 26k on the crystals. I was soloing Giants B5 with him, which is a water type dungeon, so that was pretty good. That was impressive. And he did like 26k on a crystal, like on the attack buff crystal. 26k. That is a lot of damage. Like, that's actually, I think that's the most damage I've ever done. So, you know, I'm happy about that. I like my Trevor. Should I? I'll take a look at my mons after this, and you guys can say in the comments what you think I should 6-star next. I'm gonna, in the future, sometime, I'm going to fuse for Veramos, but right now, I don't know. I just don't. I'm too lazy, honestly. I'm too lazy to fuse for Veramos. So, I will do it. I will do it in the future, but right now, I don't know. I couldn't stand it. I already did it once on my other account, and it was hell. It took forever. It took forever. Or I'm just lazy. I don't know. I don't know which one it is. Dang, only 6k? Yeah, this guy's defense is the most insane ever. I guess, actually, no, this guy was at, like, the lowest health he possibly could be against that crystal. Okay, that was still terrible, actually. No, that was still terrible. New vest! 2 minutes! Okay. So, I got my prized possession here. Need more speed on her. Her base speed is totally terrible. So terrible. I think Tiana's base speed is actually, decent. Actually, let me see. 1 sec. No, it's the same. Wow. Get her to like 300 speed. Megan, I just don't even want to 6-star her yet, because she's just an attack bar booster. Don't really need her to eke out any extra damage or anything like that. Vigor, no, just not really. I don't really use them. I used to use Perrette with everything, but I switched over her runes to her since Alicia's just better. Garrow's great. I love Garrow. He's amazing. I have the runes that Come To Us gives you just for free I probably just specialize for the Magic Knight because of all the speed it gives you, but his base it scales with attack speed, so yeah, it's great. And then Trevor, amazing. I already showed you his runes. I love him. He's so awesome. Copper's great. I love Copper. I don't know if he should be my first 6-star though. I mean, second 6-star though, because I don't know. You just need really freaking good runes, and then you need good runes for him too in that city. And then Lauren, I love Lauren. I use her almost everywhere because I replaced my Magic Knight because she was doing like nothing. She's doing nothing. She's on Despair Revenge, I think. Yeah. She's like, I don't know. I just need to read her better, but like honestly, I don't know. She wasn't cutting it. But her leader skill, so it kind of replaces it-ish. And then just She's kind of harsh on giants just because of the triple hit, but it's great. It's great. Okay. Yeah, got it. My bulldozer is total crap. He gets for like 8k. The ignore defense is terrible. It's like as much as my Taru. I think I want a 5-star Taru, but I think the next guy want a 5-star on my Rainbow Mon. Trying 6-star, probably Trevor. I don't know. Yeah, we'll do. I think I have time for one more solo because, well, let's see if we can do this. Spring. Let's see. I've been wanting to level her up, so we'll just do this. She's gonna go faster than my Trevor, which is gonna be slightly annoying though. So I'll just put this on auto. Oh no, she's not. Okay. Yeah, I like it when Trevor gets his defense broken because he just does. He takes way more damage. I hate it when he does that. Okay. Let's see. I'm super tired. What's happening? I'd love to get some ideas on what everybody thinks I should do videos on. I got kind of a unique spot here because I got a lot of knowledge about Summer's War. I've been playing for years, but also I don't have a bajillion 6-stars because one of my accounts got hacked. So I lost everything. It was terrible. I lost everything. So I had to restart. But that's okay. I'm having a lot of fun with this. Having a lot of fun with this account, but I have a unique thing because I have all these 5-star stuff, and everybody does 6-star reviews on monsters and stuff, but nobody really does 5-star reviews. And I don't know, a lot of people have 5-star monsters, so that could be cool. It'd be cool to do like 5-star reviews on monsters. I don't know, just a random idea that I came up with. Yeah, just please leave your ideas. I want to know what people want to watch. So yeah, super open. Wow, yeah, he totally could have soloed this. Probably faster without the Jisun, because first of all, you get more attacks, and second of all, because he'd be lower health and therefore do more damage. But yeah. Oh yeah. Also, I'm gonna max Jisun next. I'm gonna max Jisun next. All my guys generally need more speed. I mean, Vigor doesn't really need that much more speed. Garo doesn't really need that much more speed. Megan needs more speed. And I don't really use Bernard. Really. I used to, but then I built Megan, and now it's just like, meh. And then MSity needs more speed. I top out at 60 speed. I don't know why. It's just 60 speed. I kind of want to break that. Yeah, so, yeah, just please tell me what you guys want to watch. I wanna supply that content. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, which I might make another one today. Might. And also, I'll definitely make another one tomorrow. So, you know, subscribe to see those daily videos that come out. More of me. Yeah. Thanks for watching.